All right, guys, we are two cans of paint down. Starting to look like one color again. I think I'm gonna need about 2, maybe 3 more cans. But it's looking pretty good. This is not the exact color, but it is pretty close, and the cans are only $3 a piece, so pretty happy about that. But you can see on the areas where there's not enough coats that it doesn't look like that at all. But if you go to the areas that do have enough coats, they are pretty close. And once everything's the same, you probably won't even realize. So, but I got everything taped up, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint that step board all black. I got the fuel tank off. So yeah, just maybe 2 more cans, maybe 3 cans, and we will be all one color, and we can throw the engine on and get it wired up and see if it runs. All right, guys, so I believe we are completely done with the paint. So here we've got one of the belt covers. There we've got one of the other belt covers. Those 2 drying. Got the Predator sitting right there. And here it is, all painted up. So I did not care about the overspray on the tires and the wheels because that's all getting replaced. So I know it looks terrible right now, but it's gonna all be replaced. So just give you a little look at it. It's very yellow, but when I get some new stickers and when we take this tape off here in just a little bit, the black will break it up some. So here's our control panel. Gotta pull all that tape off. I did get some overspray on the seat, but that will come right off with a little acetone and a rag, so I wasn't too worried about it. Here's the back. I painted the step all black just because the yellow paint, I was running out of it, and my feet are just gonna go on it and wear the paint off anyways, so I didn't really care. Also, I just made sure I painted the edges of this because this is where the gas tank sits. So as long as it just looks good around the gas tank, I'm fine. Here's the side. Forgot to get that sticker off, but oh well. We'll probably just put the new sticker right over top of it and you won't even see it. So yeah, we got it all painted up. It's gonna look a lot better once I get the engine on there, once I get all the tape off. So we're gonna start pulling it. I'm gonna pull the tape off actually, and I'll pick the video back up and we can see what it looks like with all the tape off of it. Here it is with all the tape off. Definitely makes a big difference. Sorry about the fan. But this thing is looking good. Tires, stickers. That's gonna look pretty dang good. Good enough for a $100 machine, that's for sure. Well, that's all I got for you guys tonight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this painting video, and we will catch you on the next one. I think next step is going to be, since it's all painted now, next step's going to be bolting the engine on, getting the pulleys on, getting the clutch on, and making the engine run and seeing if the hydraulic system even works. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up pretty soon, probably this week at some point, maybe early next week. Well, it's almost Friday, so yeah, we'll see. But yeah, the next step is put the engine on and wire it. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.